Hey, my name is Santiago Rodelo. This is the video of the travel guide. Mama Raya. This will be a fantastic place to have fun and relax. This place beautiful, precious place, as it has immense water reserves that play in the large space of relation. It's naturally a mirror of its splendor. Mama is tourist seat capable of reserving any type of person willing to mediate in the environment healthy and away from noise. This is place to discover and realize in great beauty to show. Well thrown in splendid forests, swing in warm, calm and soft water. Dark, bird-right through its extensive waters enjoy its culture and gastronomy. You can use a boat, jet skis, wheels after you are rowing canoe ride jet skis. You can walk through the crowded forests that have impressive tourist sites in Mamaraya. We are waiting for you in Mamaraya. Thank you.